On this occasion, I will teach you two simple methods to remove the background from a photo, and also change the background of the same image. For this video, we will be using these two example images. First, I will show you two ways to remove the background from this image, quickly and easily. For the first option, we will go to Select and click on Subject to automatically select the person in the photo. We will keep only the selected layer visible and apply a clipping mask to see the result. Now, I will revert to the original image with Ctrl+Z to apply another method. Here, we just need to select the Object Selection tool, and you will see how it automatically detects the subject, although we can also make a selection by creating a rectangle around the subject. Then, we just need to apply a clipping mask as we did before and see the result. Now, we will bring this image to another project where we have an image with a city background. We adjust the size of the image to fit the background. Now, with the Control key held down, we click on the clipping mask to select the subject area, then go to Image, Adjustments, and click on Match Color. Here, in the Source section, we select the project we are working on, and in the Layer section, we select the background layer. Next, we make some adjustments to make the change smoother. It's worth noting that the values of these adjustments depend on the images used. Perfect. We can see the result of our editing.